Very good day to fellow lecturer. Today, my group and I are going to present about our group assignment. Okay, first of all, myself, Rameswaran Subramaniam, CE190204, followed by my group mates Nanda, Shashwin, and Rizwan. Okay, first of all, I'm going to talk about introduction. Okay, the main topic that we are entitled to is SME. SME stated as a small and mid-sized enterprise business that maintain revenues, asset, or a number of employees below a certain threshold. SME also plays an important role in the economy. Then we are also going to talk about implementation of IR4 in the SME industries. Okay, as you can see, this is SME background in Malaysia. There are three categories, which is medium, small, micro, and manufacturer retails are on the left, and service and other sectors are on the right. Detail about those. Moving on, in order to be a SME enterprise, there's three conditions. First is qualifying criteria. We need to see that. Second is type of establishment that we are going to do, and the final one is shareholding structure. Okay, now this is Industry 4.0, which is IR 4.0. Industry 4.0 refers to a new phase in the industry revolution that focuses heavily on interconnectivity, automation, machine learning, and real-time data. As you can see, these are all the contents of Industry 4.0. Okay, evolution of industry revolution. First of all, Industry 1.0 is mechanization, steam power waving, then followed by Industry 2.0, mass production, Industry 3.0, automotive, computer, and electronics, and now the current one, Industry 4.0, is cyber physical system, IoT, and network. Moving on, implementation of IR4 on small medium enterprise SME will make the business perform well and perfectly balanced. Other than that, exponential increase in productivity and efficiency. Advanced analytics will directly improve the demand and capacity management. Another advantage is the cost effectiveness. Moving on, SME industry that our group has identified is the process of making batik. Batik is a traditional handcrafted dye resist textile rich in intangible culture value passed down for generations. Batik has an additional value of the industry is increasing every year with the average growth of 32.27%. That is quite good. Then to make the batik industry develop even furthermore, we have the idea to implement the IR4 in the batik industry in order to produce successful SME in the era of multiple competitive industries. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Shashwin, son of Padmanathan. My metric number is CE190145. Today I am going to explain about the problem statement and challenge faced by on-automatic batik paint industry. The first problem, low productivity of batik leads to high prices. Yes, batik fabric is made with the best quality and so comfortable when worn. So no wonder the price is more expensive. Not only that, the craftsmen are also professional. They are so meticulous when making the batik motif. As the process of making batik takes a long time, and this is also affect the price of batik, and low productivity batik leads to getting high prices. Second one, production of batik is very limited. Yes, batik is handmade. However, in a world this is dominated by machine, there are interesting in materials that have been handmade. So batik is one of these materials. Third one, customer that buying batik and using batik is very limited. Yes, this is because buying decision influenced by a personal characteristics, the age and the stage of life, work, economy. So the changing of life also can affect the customer using and buying, but there is very limited. So I'm going to explain the objective that we are getting from this project. The first one is to increase better quality and quantity to get better profit. Better the price and quality of Bhatia products, the higher the customer buying satisfaction will be. So the price and quality directly affect customer satisfaction toward buying Bhatia. Second one, to implement Revolution Industry 4.0 on Bhatia Industrial. This is because to improve the product, the company can improve the material quality, improve the product function, and increase the product type of, and same time improve model or product design. So that is a different value than previous one. Third one is to increase the entrepreneurs awareness to their customers need and demand, as well as remain competitive and able to meet fashion changes in order to further improve the batik industrial. To increase development of competitive batik, there are several aspects that need to reform include production, promotion, advertising, personal selling. To increase online marketing communication strategy that will be useful as tool to promote and preserve batik. Implication, the synergy between the government, stakeholder, private companies, and craftsmen are very important in building industrial competitiveness.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Rizwan Aizat bin Uthman. My number metric is CE200226. I will be presenting planning and layout. To implement Industrial Revolution 4.0 to batik processing, we are divided into three sections, which is planning, execution of implementation, and close project. For planning, we have done work breakdown structure, responsibility assignment, project schedule development, budget, and finalized project plan. Next, execution of implementation. We've done organizing automatic batik painting, hiring expert for executing project, monitor and control progress, installing automated system for batik processing. Close project. We have done close out meeting, obtain customer acceptance, and issue final project report. Next, schedule and feasibility. There are few activities that we have done, which is data gathering, interview, observation, system choosing, device purchase, device assembly, testing, finalization, and documentation. The schedule begin on November of 2020 until July of 2021. Next, batik processing. There are four steps of batik processing, which is applying batik wax to fabric, applying dye to fabric, and air dry batik fabrics, and lastly, packaging fabric into individual package. For Industrial Revolution 4.0, we are using fabric printer to apply the wax and dye to the fabric. Design that selected by company will be printed onto the fabric by the printer. This process can be repeated based on how complex the design that will be printed. Special dye will be used, which is concentrated liquid craft dye. And batik wax also will be used to prevent dye from mixing onto other type of color on the same fabric. Next, drying batik fabric. We are using drying oven to dry the batik fabric before applying another layer of color or after completing the process. And lastly, packaging. We are using automatic packaging machine. Fabric will be rolled on tube and wrapped in plastic wrap. This will make fabric last longer and stay away from stain. That's all from me. Thank you.
Costing can divide into two, which is variable cost and fixed cost. For variable cost is a corporate expense that change in proportional to production output. Variable cost increase or decrease depending on a company's production volume. The cost will rise as production increase and falls as production decrease. This is the examples of estimated variable cost that we estimated. For example, transportation, utility bill, maintenance, seal tape, box, um, wax, batik dye. This is the variable cost for batik industry, and we estimated that it will cost 200 and 1,300 for 1 year. This is fixed cost. Fixed cost is a cost that does not change with an increase or decrease in the amount of goods or service uh, produced or sold. Um, these are the fixed cost for batik industry, which is business shop, which is it may be rent or monthly payment for in a shop. Uh, we estimated around 1,000 for 12 months. It costs 12,000, and labor cost for 5 labors, 1,500 for each labor. For 12 months, it's got 90,000. Insurance, 100 ringgit per month, and it costs 1,200. Total is 103,200. Total fixed and variable cost is 304,500. Forecast forecast is the estimated what will be happen in the future. Productivity, first productivity, number of production of batik will increase. Second is cut off number of workers. Robot and machines are more precise than human. The batik drawing will be more accurate and more unique. Third is quality of the product will increase. With machine, be able to produce more high quality batik with many design and colors. Fourth is safety and security. Project will have an advanced safety against the injuries and fires. The fifth one is information protection. Storage system such as cloud storage can keep company information, strategy, batik design, and financial details safer. Installment, the last is installment. Installment and installation and running tests to be carried out by the supplier or seller with the help of technicians. These are the challenges and obstacles faced. Lack of technician that capable to execute full automated system to be produced. Need new strategy to process batik. Recreating a new team member that could operate IoT. Need to do customization on certain machine to fit different materials. In conclusion, we have done some research in how to implement Industrial Revolution 4.0 in batik industry. This can help to increase production of batik and quality of batik. The automated batik drawing using fabric printer can help in increasing the efficiency of the work done in batik industry. Other than that, automated packaging and drying will help to reduce time, cost, and as well as manpower. The use of technology such as IoT and automated machine contribute to IR 4.0 in style of industry growth.